It's been a crazy, hectic day.
I could sit around and tell you all about how I wanna live my life and try to make it happen. And try to make it happen.
Hey, good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute since I felt like picking up the camera, and to be honest, I don't feel like picking it up today, but here we are. Today I am going to do makeup for 3 people. 1 of which you've seen, 2 of which you probably haven't. I'm not gonna record like crazy too much. I might just do like a before and after, but we're running late, and that's because I had to stop for coffee. I was not gonna be okay. So we at the Starbucks. I have this card that's connected to special Starbucks promotions. So I have a free handcrafted beverage on it. But a lot of those have a lot of sugar. So I'm trying to figure out what I can get that has the least amount of sugar, but that's still handcrafted, because I want to get my gift's worth. You know what I mean? What was I saying? I think my head hurts so bad. So we're gonna be doing LaDonna's makeup. Oh, it's so dark. LaDonna, her sister, and her mom. They are getting, I guess, bigger group family photos taken today. So they have called upon me and Aaron's sister to help make that happen. And I thought I would pick up the camera today, even though I don't really wanna. Alex is back here in her pajamas with uncombed hair, because that's the kind of morning we're having. And Aaron is here in the driver's seat. Okay, so I ended up ordering my drink to be sugar-free, a sugar-free caramel macchiato. And I got a degular breakfast sandwich. The smoked bacon and cheddar croissant thing. I don't know. Today, we're just surviving, okay? I need some seasoning though. Kind of bland. We were in that drive-thru for almost 30 minutes. Anyway, it's now 11:02. I'm late.
A few moments later.
Boy, you had me from the start. By the way you stared, the way you wrote up on me, yeah.
Okay, so here's our before. Right? Here's LaDonna. Diane. At least smile. Look on her face with the lip mask. And Jackie. Oh, there's no. Oh, I should have brought my light. Yeah, look at everything.
Yeah, you should brought your mirror too with the light.
I don't have a mirror with the light.
Oh, I thought you did.
No. And here's April, the assistant.
Assistant.
Who acts like she's the assistant, but actually knows what she's doing.
I don't.
Yeah.
I'm assisting.
Right.
Baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you. Baby, don't you. Baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you. Baby, don't you. Baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Boy, you take me on a trip. Always up and down and back and forth in merry-go-round. I just wanna get it right. But when you go left, I'm stuck here feeling left behind. Cause something went wrong, the signals got crossed. switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. If you love me just like you say you do.
And here's the aftermath because it looked real nice and clean when we got here and it was all set up.
It's all organized.
Now, looks like a hurricane. We're gonna look at the final looks. You wouldn't just, I'll get it outside.
Oh, y'all can do my hair. I can do my hair. Oh, the girl. We got
Oh, that's what the look is.
Yeah, the pictures is at 3 o'clock, and we still got to dry in 30 minutes. Okay, come on, let's go. I mean, I can do our hair in the car. All right. Bye, guys.
Bye, Tony.
Bring the pink lipstick. Get April. Bring pink sausage on lipstick. The one I use. Yeah. Please, if you don't mind.
It's still
Like, hey. Oh, hearing them.
It's so dark over here. Can you just stand right here in the street really quick? Oh yeah, there we go. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, just right here in the sun. Okay. And the most important part, do you like it?
I love it.
Okay. She loves it. All right, you're ready to go. You guys are late.
We're late.
I'll see. Bye. Oh. I don't know how to open doors anymore.
I really got you that spoiled.
Really
open
though.
doors in here. You're gonna open the door now. You're gonna learn the day.
So, play some soulful, energetic Christmas music.
What? How specific?
Soulful, energetic Christmas songs. What other music do you want to listen to? Perhaps pop?
Alexa, play some soulful Christmas music.
The station, Soulful Christmas, on Amazon
She
Music.
said soulful Christmas. Ah.
This is not soulful.
I don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree.
You want your microphone, Alex? Here's your microphone. Sing. Yes. Woo, 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 woo. Go, Alex. Go, Alex. Go, 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 go. Woo, 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 woo. I don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. Go, Alex. All I want for Christmas is you.
And checking it twice, gonna find out who's naughty and nice. Santa Claus coming to town, boy, yeah.
I am exhausted. I feel like I haven't vlogged much today, but it's been a crazy, hectic day. Crazier than my days have been in a long time. And you know what? I'm not even mad at it. Like, today is the first day that it felt like COVID wasn't a thing. I know it is, but I felt like myself. And it just felt so good. I sanitized all my stuff before I brought it back home. I sprayed everything down with alcohol. I wiped everything down with Lysol wipes. And then I Lysoled everything down. So, good to go. I just gotta put all this stuff back where it came from. What, baby? I gotta put all this stuff back where it came from and eat some dinner. I will show you what I'm having in just a second. Oh, there's the light. Let's see, what time is it even? 9:20. Where did the day go? Yeah, I'm gonna eat dinner. It's so late. I guess I'm having 2 meals today. That's fine. Okay, so for dinner, I'm having a Subway salad. Aaron's sister April actually got this for me earlier. It is the spicy Italian, and I just got pepperoni, tomato, olive, all that stuff. And this is going to be dinner. And yeah, that's it. Isabella?
Are you done?
I found myself when I found you.